Tubeway manufacture and stock a range of board and panel profiles for common board thicknesses which cap, joint, corner and trim to give a smart professional finish. They're suitable for products like board, plywood, glass, MDF and Foamex, and mostly have tapering legs to accommodate size variations and laminate finishes. There are many size and colour variations, so for full details of all the products shown in this video, visit our extrusion website tubewayextrusions.com. For capping and edging, we have C-sections with longer, tapering legs that fit and grip. We stock standard and heavy-duty versions. A similar job is done by our clip-on channels, which have shorter angled legs and are available in flat and round back designs. For the smaller panels, we have several J-sections with one longer leg. All of these protect and mask the panel ends. We also have clear plinth seal with a flexible leg for protecting kitchen kickboards. For joining boards side by side, there are H sections with equal length legs. These are stocked in several sizes. Or there are butt joints where the visible face is shorter. We also have an extensive range of two-part H sections with separate bases and tops, which allow the back to be fixed and boards fitted before pressing home the barbed cover section. For large corner joints, there's a choice between the L section for a square corner joint or the rounded corner, which will flex to accommodate an angle of other than 90 degrees. For smaller corners, there's a choice of profiles, depending on whether the inside internal corner or the outside external corner is showing. Finally, there are straight T-sections that are used to mask or trimmer joints where the boards are already fixed in position, and barbed T-sections that edge a board by knocking into a pre-cut groove. These are available as rigid or flexible profiles. All of the products you've seen and many more are detailed on our website tubewayextrusions.com. We can supply stock on a next working day basis or make to order from our wide range of production tooling. Our sales team will be pleased to help you on 01473 251 051. Thanks for watching.